It's 5:30 on your Friday morning. It's no secret that this upcoming winter storm will be impactful, not just here, but also across the country. It could also make a spot in the record books as well. This, what you see behind me, is the greatest one-day snowfall leaderboard all time since about the 1930s in Youngstown. And I think that there is a legitimate threat that there could be this upcoming snowstorm have a spot on this list, because we could expect some accumulations about 8 to 12 inches in our area. We'll talk about that in just a little bit, but for now, let's look at a clear storm tracker radar. However, I do think there could be some flurries, especially north of town, that could come into our area during the later stages of the morning. All of that being said, that is being overshadowed by this winter storm warning that is currently permeated in our area Saturday through Monday. That's when I'm expecting that winter storm warning to go through. Additionally, cold weather advisory is in our area for that cold air that's moving through Friday night and tomorrow morning. So regardless of what happens, it's a two-pronged threat, really. Cold and snow going through the rest of the day today through the rest of the weekend. Temperatures right now are going to be the highest through at least Sunday. You're seeing lots of upper teens and a 20-degree reading in Youngstown. That's going to go down as we go throughout the rest of the day. By the way, it's Pi Day out there, not P-I, P-I-E, with temperatures about in the teens, falling down to very chilly levels. That's not to mention that we'll have some winds as well, bring down that feels like temperature here. You could see that snow on our future cast starting to move down across our area. This will have little to no impacts, just maybe a couple of flurries that we'll see during the morning, especially north of town. By the time we go to sleep, though, look at these temperatures, 2-3 degrees. And again, that's not to mention the wind chill as well. Even though we're going to be straddling zero around that time, we'll be well in the negatives. And by the time we wake up tomorrow morning, could have wind chills between -10 and -15, with those thermometers at about -5 by the time we wake up as well. So regardless, though, Saturday will be a calm day, and the storm that we're seeing on our radar right now is going to start to brew in the central portion of our country. Let's put on the thinking cap, put you in the classroom right now. Let's understand what this setup is. High pressure. This is a very strong area of high pressure, and that is bringing lots of cold air down. That's why we're so cold right now. This low pressure with the fronts that you could see also going through the southeast is what's lifting that air and bringing some moisture in, and that's going to be a huge setup for this storm that we're going to see over the next couple of days. Here's that future cast. As we go through the day on Saturday, we're going to be calm, but we're going to be cold. Then we're going to start to see that snow start to make its way in our area by the time we get Sunday early morning. Through the day Sunday, we'll have snow at all times. It's going to not stop. It's going to be continuous and persistent as we go through the day before it starts to taper off at some point Sunday night into Monday. So I think all day Sunday, that's your biggest impacts. This will be something that will be very hard for plows and crews to keep up, because the snow will just be continuous. For that reason, I'm expecting 8 to 12 inches. Not much of a change compared to what you saw last night, but I do think there could still be some uncertainties in terms of what could happen with this winter storm. The biggest thing that I'm expecting, the low pressure track. Still not exactly sure. There has been a little bit of a nudge north, which could cause some maybe mixing concerns to our south. However, also looking at when that snow tapers could potentially bleed into Monday, and also bleeding those impacts into Monday as well. Whatever you put it, though, this will be an impactful weekend, not just the cold to start, but also a very impactful winter storm Saturday night into Sunday night as well. After that, though, you'd think it would get mild, but nope, we're seeing those temperatures in the teens when we go into next week, guys.